Welcome to QuartzCrafts, your trusted manufacturer of premium quartz stone slabs and custom quartz countertops. In this video, we invite you to explore our exclusive showroom, where we display a wide range of quartz stone designs, from elegant marble-inspired patterns to modern solid colors. Each slab is crafted with precision and passion, showcasing the beauty, durability, and versatility of QuartzCrafts products. Whether you're designing a stylish kitchen, bathroom, or commercial space, our quartz surfaces bring timeless elegance and strength to every project. Visit us and contact us for customization or cooperation opportunities.